Hey everyone, for today you have a sub. So it says on day 9 you're supposed to figure out how to do scrolling text, remove the green screen, or do picture-in-picture for Premiere if you're using Premiere. Otherwise, if you're using PowerPoint, you need to start getting all your details onto each of your slides, which you already know how to do, so I didn't think you needed a video for that. So if you're in Premiere, the first thing that you would do to get scrolling text that goes across the bottom like a newsfeed is you have your video clip in here, and then up at the top you can go text, and the default text would just put a text box that is static on the screen. A default roll would go up and down, and then a crawl goes across. So if we do a crawl, kind of puts it here. You can edit any of these to be whatever you want, or actually move them onto the screen. Okay, and then when you hit play, mine froze. See how it's stuck at 0.02? When you hit play, it's going to scroll across the bottom of the screen. You change the text to be whatever you want, okay? If it doesn't freeze on you. Second thing, to do a picture-in-picture, you would need a second video. I'm just going to add this same one again. And you're going to put it on a separate track. So maybe I'll put it up here on video 3. So I've got my other video here now, and you've got these blue dots that go all the way around the corners. You can shrink those and move them to a different part of the screen. So now when I hit play, you've got one video playing here, a different video playing here. Now if you choose to do that, only one of your videos can have sound, otherwise they overlap each other. So you see when I click on this one, it has video 3, audio 3. I can open that one, and I can slash through to make it so that now my little video doesn't have any audio, or if you only want the little one to have it, you go down to, or the big one to have it, you come down here, slash through your audio there. Okay, there's going to be a separate tutorial for green screen, because obviously being at home, I don't have a green screen here, so you'll have a YouTube one for that. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, but I probably won't see it till Monday.